When an insurer has data that shows a client's digital front door is unlocked, it seemingly creates a new dynamic of needing to shift from a reactive repair and replace model to a proactive kind of predict and prevent one. Does this insight create a new moral or business obligation for the industry? And what does that really mean for the insurer-client relationship?
This is a really good question and quite frankly, a challenge. Existential is a bit dramatic, right? As we think about the potential, responses to this question. There are other versions of this, right? And it's kind of back to how much protection is the right protection? When do we create moral hazard? When do we have this moral obligation? When do we have business obligation to do these things? I think the cyber line of business is uniquely positioned to have some of these capabilities, these monitoring, these watching in advance, taking proactive actions is really well set up for that for a couple of reasons. One, as we said earlier, it's a relatively young line of business. And so we don't have the years, decades, in some cases, centuries of kind of history and expectation around, well, this is how this product works. And so since it is still relatively early days in the cycle of this product, there are the opportunities to kind of establish and adjust and tweak those standards around what actually fits and what is part of cyber cover, if you will.